Hey guys, how to withdraw Bond Crypto? Bond Crypto, or BCOIN, is a P2E token that historically lived in BNB Smart Chain, right? Or BIP20. Exact thresholds, fees, and listings can change, but the withdrawal pattern is consistent across P2E tokens. Below is a future proof, right? Careful flow you can follow, okay? Step 1. Prep your wallet and network. Use a fresh, dedicated wallet, e.g. MetaMask for game assets. Add BNB Smart Chain to MetaMask if it isn't already. Fund a tiny bit of BNB, few dollars for gas. No gas, no transactions. Safety note, never keep large balances in the same wallet you connect to random D apps, right? Compartmentalize, right? Step 2, claim the game to your wallet. Log into Bomb Crypto's official site and connect your wallet. Check you've met any in-game withdrawal criteria. Minimum claim cooldown. Hit claim or withdraw so the tokens move from the game's internal balance to your own chain wallet. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask and wait for it to finalize, right? Claim button if there is a problem, claim button grayed out, meet minimum or wait out cooldowns. If there is a problem of stuck text, increase gas slightly and resubmit, or cancel and retry. If it's wrong network, make sure MetaMask is on BNB Smart Chain. Step 3, verify you actually hold BOM coin on chain. Open MetaMask, import token, paste the official BCOIN contract only from official docs or Discord, never random links. You should now see your BOM coin balance on BSC. Alright? Fake tokens with similar names are common. Always cross-verify the contract address from an official source. Step 4, decide your exit route. DEX versus CEX, right? You have two main options. DEX route, fast and on-chain, right? Go to reputable BSC DEX, historically Pancake Swap. Connect wallets, select Bongcoin, BUSD, USDT, or BNB. If Bongcoin isn't listed, click import and paste the official contract. Set reasonable slippage. Start low, increase only if needed. And then go to swap, confirm in wallet, and wait for settlement. Now you hold BUSD, USDT, and BNB liquid. If you want fiat, bridge and or transfer to a CEX that supports that asset, then withdraw to a bank or fintech card. All right. The pros: no account needed, fast. The cons: you pay gas. You must verify you're swapping the real token. Low liquidity pairs can have price impact. All right. If you're using CEX, check if any centralized exchange currently lists Bond coin or BCOIN and supports deposit and withdrawals. If yes, on the CEX, generate a BSC or BIP upper score 20 deposit address for BCOIN or for BNB or USDT. If you'll swap first on DEX from your wallet, send BCOIN or the swapped BUSD or USDT or BNB to that address. On the CEX, sell to fiat or convert to your preferred stablecoin, then withdraw to bank or card. The pros: straight shot to fiat once deposited, requires KYC. Not all CEX list niche P2E tokens. Alright? Now what you're gonna do? Cash out. On your CEX, convert your BNB, USDT, BUSD to fiat, like USD, euros, or Canadian dollars. Withdraw via supported rails, bank transfer, card, P2P, marketplace, depending on region. Save receipts or TX hashes for your records, and clean up, right? Revoke DApp approvals for Bomb Crypto, right? DX after withdrawing. Use a token approval checker. Move proceed, right, to a safer long-term wallet or off-exchange custody if you plan to hold. Document for taxes. Even free earnings can be taxable in many jurisdictions. Okay, so no gas. Keep a bit of BNB handy. Transactions won't go through without it. If this is like a common pitfalls. Wrong chain. Don't send PIP20 to ERC20 addresses or vice versa. Fake sites. Bookmark official URLs. Triple check contracts. High slippage. If price impact looks ugly, break the swap into smaller chunks. Right? And if the pool looks dead, pivot to the fallback route above. Right? So free crypto is real, but it's mostly small streams that add up, punctuated by the occasional big airdrop or campaign. Treat your time like capital. Focus on actions that either teach you a new skill, on-chain skill, or have a credible path to cash out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.